get to control both wings to rotate and stuff. One up, one down will make you rotate, you know. People don't rotate. That's it? That's it? Only few rules?